Okay, we're back. Smith & Wesson knives. Definitely in the budget realm of knives. This I kind of picked up as a joke. It was about 12 bucks on Amazon. I guess it could be a money clip and a bottle opener. I honestly don't use anything I need a bottle opener for. I don't drink soda, I don't drink beer, but kind of comical. This little tiny guy right there. Just for reference, let's get the reference out real early. I mean, it's ridiculously small. It is just over 4 inches total. Right there on the bottom. It's kind of fun. I mean, if you want to use it as a money clip or something like that. The action's pretty nice. I mean, the G10 is awesome with the red accent there. And the blade's kind of cool. It's not the sharpest. It's pretty sharp. But, you know, if you come down and you hit this thing, it's not going to open. And that's kind of pointy, too. So you can't really flick it because it's too short. It's got no centrifugal force, I guess. It is a frame lock kind of deal there. I just figured for 12 bucks, I kind of got it as a joke. It is decent quality. It is a little quirky. It's kind of fun. I mean, it came in this tiny little box. Funny enough, I've been carrying a Smith & Wesson for many, many, many years, purposely because it's a cheap knife. I'd feel real bad if I lost a $300 Benchmade, you know, out in the woods or something like that. So I've carried this for years. You can see the wear, I mean, just on the belt clip alone, the wear and tear on the blade there. I mean, this thing's taken some abuse. It's been sharpened a lot. I mean, a lot. This is a liner lock. The deployment there doesn't really do anything. That's why you got the thumb stud. There's only a thumb stud on one side, which is kind of odd. And I don't think you can buy this model anymore, but you can close it one-handed. But if you want to use the front flipper, it opens real nice. Real nice. So I just wanted to show that in comparison to this. And then there's your reference knife for sizing. Let's put them on the measuring tape there. Very similar size to the Ozark for the older guy. And the newer guy is ridiculously tiny. But again, only G10 on one side, but real nice G10. And I'm not sure what the blade steel is. It say on the box what the blade steel is on this. It didn't really matter. Again, because I kind of bought it as a joke. Copyright 2021 Smith & Wesson. It's not saying anything about blade steel or anything else like that. It's such a short blade. It's going to be tough no matter what. The lockup's fantastic. I think it was 12 and change on Amazon. You know, like I said, I bought it because it was ridiculously small and tiny. I can see this being used as maybe a money clip. It's got a very wide clip on that thing. And you have the bottle opener if you do so need a bottle opener. I just don't usually need one, ever. Alright, but yeah, Smith & Wesson, definitely in the budget realm of knives. I think this one was only 20, you know, over 20 years ago. And again, these are on sale now for $12 and change on Amazon. Check it out if you're interested. Alright, that's it for now.